just don't panic.
Hold it here.
Oh, those things I have in my bag.
Now, this is normally a break time in school. We'd ask you to treat it as a work break, where you encourage discussion of the possibilities inherent in your activity. This should be becoming reasonably apparent by now. Some pupils may want to snack. They consent to get only what they would eat from their lunch and told to return to the same activity. There will be an opportunity for our specialists and helpers to have a short break within about 15 minutes. So, when the adults man the activities, one of the pupils is going to get a snack.
Oh, then skip.
And then around 11:15,
Come back, you go to Trent Fortune then.
the adults will have a chance to
Well, then
have
you
a
skip them when you go to Don Fitzpatrick.
How's the pupils work
You go
on?
to Room Grant.
It's important that you stay at the station if you're an adult.
Oh, Fitzpatrick.
Pupils go together
They're the only ones who are here.
and come back to the same
No,
place.
oh, Fitzpatrick.
Just to keep things
He's not
nice
here.
and flowing.
Yeah, then you go on to Room Grant. None of them are there. Then you go down to someone that's here. You can go back to people now when they come. What do you use this up?
Okay. Huh? Huh? You know the rain quick is dangerous. Electricity. Eating time, is it? Come on, get in. Huh?
Preschool project graduates to meet our immediately, please. Quickly. Preschool project graduates. Now, come on.
Oh, it's not rational, is it?
Sorry, go into the phone.
Hello. Hi.
Green. Now stop that. Will you?
Me, you said you're filming me. Hi.
Go on,
Hi.
go on, hi. Oh, that's
Are you allowed? Can you wash your hands in the toilet? Hello.
no, you can't. Hello.
I'll just stop playing. No. I'll have to get what that washing. I'll do something.